In today's world, where widespread violence and growing concerns about public safety are on the rise, the demand for trained, dependable security personnel has never been higher. As communities seek greater protection and businesses work harder to safeguard their assets, becoming a security guard offers not only stable employment but also a meaningful role in ensuring peace of mind. Jumpstart Security Guard Training and Safety Tips is your first step toward a career in this essential field. Our program is designed to prepare prospective security guards for the state-mandated requirements outlined in the classroom curriculum. We provide an in-depth overview of the key topics that will be covered in official courses, including situational awareness, legal authority, emergency response, and conflict de-escalation techniques. Our training provides a confident foundation before you even enter a certification class. Now is the perfect time to take action. As the holiday season approaches, the need for reliable security guards grows significantly. Retail stores, event venues, and corporate offices all require heightened protection during this busy and often vulnerable time of year. With Jumpstart Security Guard Training and Safety Tips, you'll gain not only critical safety knowledge but also practical tips that give you an edge in both training and real-world applications. Whether you're starting a new career, re-entering the workforce, or seeking a second income, this is an opportunity to step into a role that genuinely matters. Equip yourself with the tools to succeed, meet state requirements with confidence, and enter the security field with readiness and purpose. Let Jumpstart Security Guard Training and Safety Tips be your guide to a secure and rewarding future. Please like and share if you appreciate the knowledge.